One of the most common mistakes when we're doing body movement is using our shoulders to drive the movement. For example, if we want to tilt this way, a lot of people use this or use this with the shoulders. We don't want to think about using the shoulders when we're doing body movement. We want to think about these 2 points or in the center of the chest. Say for example, we want to go this way. We're not bringing this up, but we're bringing this point down or this point up. So the shoulder doesn't really play a role because we don't want to look like this. And if we want to go forward and back, we're not really opening with our shoulders like this and closing with our shoulders like this. The shoulder moves a little bit, but as a consequence of the chest moving. You're not really going this and then going like that. This point, you want to bring this forward. It's a level, the level is kind of like this. You just want to go forward and back. You're not really going like this or like this.